Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Yoana, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
Bulgarian house for sale in the countryside with a beautiful view in the village of Sadina, Targovishte region, only 18 kilometers from the city of Popovo, 60 kilometers from Ruse, 160 kilometers from Varna. The village of Sadina is a large village with shops, a cafe, a library, a bus stop, a school. The house is two-storey, brick. The property is in need of repair. On the first floor there is a kitchen with a dining room, an old fireplace. The upper floor is reached by external stairs. On the second floor there is a corridor, 3 rooms and an old bathroom. The garden is about 900 square meters. There are outbuildings and an old shop. A great investment. This property is being offered by www.bg.house. By our agent Yoana. Yes, it needs some work, but as you see, it's no more than a DIY project, as no specialized work is required to make it your own. You should watch this video all the way through, as we have tried to take in every aspect of the property.